Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to disable the Superfetch service, also known as Sysmain, in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To disable the Superfetch Sysmain service in Windows 11, begin by opening the Windows search bar. Type Services, and then open the Services application. Once the Services window is open, scroll down the list until you locate the Sysmain service. To stop the service from running currently, right-click on Sysmain and select the Stop option. This will immediately halt the service. If you want to ensure it does not start automatically in the future, right-click on the Sysmain service again and choose Properties. In the Properties window, find the Startup Type drop-down menu and change it to Disabled. Then click Apply, and finally, click OK to save your changes. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.